Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Before we dive in, here's the shortcut. If you want to check out this cordless vacuum cleaner, 500W, 40 kPa, 60 minutes stick vacuum with LED display, anti-tangle and wall mount charging, you'll find the link right in the description and the first comment. Yes, I made it easy because let us be honest, searching online is more exhausting than actually vacuuming. So let us talk about why this cordless vacuum is making waves and why I think it is one of the smartest home upgrades you can grab right now. Don't worry, we'll keep it light and fun because cleaning may not be Netflix. But with the right tools, it almost feels like cheating. Picture this, instead of dragging a heavy corded vacuum that tangles like old headphones, you just grab this sleek, lightweight stick vacuum. It maneuvers around furniture like it has been to yoga class and runs up to 60 minutes on a charge. For me, that means I can do the whole house in one shot, no interruptions, no frustration. Now, here's the kicker. We're talking 500 watts of power and 40 kPa suction, which means dust, crumbs, pet hair, even stubborn debris disappear instantly. If you've got pets, you know the struggle. Dog hair on hardwood, cat hair on rugs, fur tumbleweeds floating by, this vacuum takes care of it all. And thanks to its anti-tangle design, no more pausing to cut hair out of the brush roll. Total lifesaver. But this isn't just a vacuum. It's an 8-in-1 cleaning tool. With multiple attachments, you can switch from floors to rugs, upholstery, crevices, even your car. I used one attachment last week under my car seat, and suddenly my family thinks I got the car detailed. One tool, whole house, plus the car. That's versatility. Design-wise, the LED display keeps you updated on battery life, so there are no mid-clean surprises, while the wall-mount charging station keeps it stored neatly. Always ready, never in the way, emptying it, easier than making popcorn. One click, filters rinse clean, everything snaps back in place. No mess, no hassle. Now, let me put on my neuromarketing hat for just a second. This vacuum solves multiple problems at once. It saves time, reduces effort, handles pet hair, works on all surfaces, and gives peace of mind with storage and battery life. That's what we call a value stack. And it's why this product stands out. And yes, affordability matters. I've tested high-end brands, and honestly, this one performs as well, if not better, without the luxury price tag. It's lightweight, powerful, durable, and leaves you feeling like you scored a smart deal instead of beer's remorse. So if you're tired of cords, weak suction, constant tangles, or just want a versatile tool that adapts to your lifestyle, this cordless vacuum cleaner 500W 40 kPa with LED display and anti-tangle design is exactly what you need. Remember, the link is in the description and the first comment. Go check it out because once you try this vacuum, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.